Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall apps on Mac. To do that, just go into Finder, then in Finder go to Applications, and here are all of your apps. And to uninstall one, just select the one you'd like to uninstall, and you can either move it to the trash folder here on the dock, then enter your password, and now the app has been uninstalled. Or you can also just click on the app once, then click on Command Delete, and it's deleted as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.